Welcome to Marian Ayurveda. In this episode, we are going to look at Ayurvedic treatment for a condition called appendicitis, and we will also listen to the testimony of a person who found relief from this illness through such treatment. I am Dr. Anumod Kakkassery from Marian Ayurveda, Thrissur. Appendicitis is a condition that we are currently treating for many people at our hospital. So, very quickly, I often see that many patients, especially recently, are admitted to our hospital for just 2 or 3 hours, and after that, they are able to go home. We are treating them in such a way that within 2 or 3 hours, the pain from the condition can be significantly reduced. Even then, we always treat appendicitis based on the scan report. If the appendix has already ruptured or burst, we never proceed with treatment here. What I always say is that unlike before, when appendix surgery would be done the next day or after 2 days, in the current situation, we are able to get results within about 3 hours. We are able to reduce the inflammation within that time. Often, unlike the way Ayurvedic medicines are taken, 1 dose in the morning and 1 in the evening, our treatment for appendicitis involves administering medicine every hour. Within 6 to 7 hours, we follow a method that completely relieves the pain. After that, we take another USG scan to check whether the size has reduced and whether the inflammation has subsided. We treat here in a very scientific manner. Right now, with us here is a patient named Nisha. While she was 5 months pregnant, she suffered from severe appendix pain and was admitted to a modern hospital. After 7 days of treatment there, her condition did not improve, so she went to another modern hospital. But there too, there was no improvement. She was then referred to the medical college, and it was at that point that she came to our hospital. The problem that was explained to her was that either the mother would survive, or if surgery was performed, the baby would die. It was from this situation that she came here for treatment, and after that she had a normal delivery. Now both mother and child are healthy. Let's listen to her testimony. Can you tell us what that experience was like? What exactly happened back then?
What happened then was I was 5 months pregnant at the time. I started having tooth pain. When I got the tooth pain, we thought it was just gas. I went to see a doctor at an English hospital. So, thinking it was gas, I got an injection for the pain, but no matter what I did, the pain wouldn't subside. After about 2 weeks, the pain kept increasing and I started vomiting and feeling faint. When I went back to the same doctor and they did a scan, they said they had some doubts and wanted to do another scan, an MRI scan. After the MRI scan, they found out that I had an appendix behind my uterus and also a kidney stone. So after that, we were admitted there for about 7 weeks.
7 weeks?
For 7 full days.
7 days, right?
I was admitted and stayed there for 7 days. Even after staying there, my appendix wasn't getting better. In fact, it was only getting worse. When I went there, it was 4 millimeters, but after reaching there, it had increased to 9 points.
Oh, okay.
It kept getting worse, and then my blood levels started dropping. Many problems came up. They said either I wouldn't be able to have the baby, or surgery would be needed, or I might lose my life as a mother, or the baby could be lost. That's how they discharged us, telling us to go and get referred to another hospital immediately. So when we reached there, the doctor saw us. We told him that we had been admitted in that hospital for 7 days and that we came because they told us to come the next day. At that time, I was walking around holding a 650 milligram dolo in my hand. Even after taking the dolo, I wouldn't get relief for even an hour.
For the pain?
There was no relief from the pain. So after all that, I came home. And after being home for 7 days, 2 days later, just out of curiosity, I pressed on the area where the appendix is, wondering what it was. When I pressed there, I happened to see the doctor's video on YouTube.
Channel?
That doctor, Dr. Anumod, I was watching his video. After watching it, I told my life partner that there's something like this and that it says the problem can be solved in an hour. So then, to me...
1 day.
That one...
Within a day.
Was it within a day or an hour?
I don't know, within a day. One day.
It was 1 day, right? Then my life partner said, "What are you saying? You went to England and spent 49,000 rupees and now you're saying this appendix can be removed in a day?" I said, "No, whatever it is, let's just go and check it out." So my home is in Chirakkakkode, and from Chirakkakkode to here, it's about 25 kilometers. During that 25-kilometer journey, I had 5 or 6 Dolo 650 tablets in my hand. Because at any moment I might feel pain. And the doctor had said, if you get a fever, vomiting or pain, don't just sit with it, go to the hospital. And I was also pregnant 5 months along. So that's how, after taking those 6 Dolo tablets, I came to this hospital. So when I came here, there were quite a few people sitting around, and one brother asked, "What happened? You can't walk?" I really couldn't walk at all. He asked what was wrong, and I said it was my appendix. Then he said, "If it's your appendix, the doctor will remove it." I told him, "Brother, I'm pregnant 5 months along." Even then, he said, "Still, the doctor will remove it." I said, "Whatever it is, let's see." And that's how we came here. When I got here, they gave me some medicine once. After taking it, we had only traveled about 5 minutes from here. As we went, the pain eased a little, so then
Weren't you just lying here?
No, I didn't rest. After taking the medicine, I left.
Oh, so the pain reduced, right? Didn't you lie down for 2 hours?
No, I didn't lie down.
Oh, okay.
The doctor checked me once and gave me some medicine.
Right?
It was a terrible street.
Oh.
Then he gave me that medicine. We just went there and got some of that mud. When I got onto the highway, the pain eased a bit, so I said that since the pain has subsided, I don't need Dolo anymore. Then they said, "Anyway, let's see," and after reaching home, suggested that I could take the medicine after an hour's gap if needed. So after reaching home by around 4 in the evening, about half of my pain had subsided. By night, after taking the medicine at intervals of about an hour, by morning my pain had almost completely gone. At that point, the doctor told me that after the delivery, I would have to go for surgery.
Appendix.
Of the appendix. But I never needed surgery or anything else. The illness was completely cured. So that's why if my children ever fall sick, I always rush here.
You should stay strong. It was said that either the mother would go or the child would go.
Actually, it was the last rites according to our Christian tradition that truly saved me.
Okay,
That is to say, after confessing and receiving Holy Communion there, that's when I was saved because it was such a situation.
okay.
Even the doctors gave up on me.
Go to med school.
They told us to go to the medical college hospital. So we said, if we go to the medical college, the baby will be lost anyway. We went to another hospital. After going there and coming home, 2 days later, when they checked, that's when the doctor saw me like this.
Switching hospitals, they still say there will be issues.
Yes.
Okay.
If you say to lose it, even surgery wasn't possible because it was behind the uterus.
Okay.
It was in such a situation that we came here. Now, whatever we need, we come here.
He's sitting as a smart boy.
He is sitting here smartly without any problems and is healthy.
Their experience was from about a year ago. After that, we have had the opportunity to treat many patients with appendicitis. All of them recovered very quickly without any major issues. As I said, the maximum time we take for recovery is just 1 or 2 days. So let's meet again in another episode. Thank you.